Video solution of previous year's competitive exam questions. Question number 10. In the given figure, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and CD is perpendicular on AB. Then exam and year NTSE 2015 stage 1 Jharkhand. Answer A. CD square is equal to BD into AD. In triangle ACD, angle DAC plus angle ACD plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. Angle DAC plus angle ACD plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle DAC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, in triangle BCD, angle DBC plus angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. This implies angle DAC plus angle ACD is equal to angle DBC plus angle BCD. Equation 1. In triangle ABC, angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Angle CAB plus angle ABC plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle CAB plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. From the figure, angle CAB is equal to angle CAD. Angle ABC is equal to angle DBC. This implies angle CAD plus angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Angle DBC is equal to 90 degree minus angle CAD. Equation 2. Substituting value of angle DBC in equation first, angle DAC plus angle ACD is equal to angle BCD plus 90 degree minus angle CAD 2 times angle DAC plus angle ACD is equal to angle BCD plus 90 degree. From figure, angle ACD is equal to 90 degree minus angle BCD 2 times angle DAC plus 90 degree minus angle BCD is equal to angle BCD plus 90 degree 2 times angle DAC plus 90 degree minus angle BCD is equal to angle BCD plus 90 degree. Two times angle DAC is equal to 2 times angle BCD. This implies angle DAC is equal to angle BCD in triangle ACD and triangle BCD. Angle ADC is equal to angle BDC 90 degree. Each angle DAC is equal to angle BCD. Just proved. Hence, by AA triangle ACD is similar to triangle CBD, AC upon CB is equal to CD upon DB is equal to AD upon CD. This implies CD upon DB is equal to AD upon CD. CD into CD is equal to AD into DB. CD square is equal to AD into DB. Answer: